Hi guys, it's Angela Bliss with Angie's Art Asylum. Hope you guys are doing well. I am working with a 14 by 14 canvas. And I'm just going to stick it on these little cups here. I'm going to do a wandering straight pour. I've never done this before, so we'll see how it works out. I'm going to use Arteza Pearl Lilac. And the Arteza paint mixes different than the Amsterdam paint. It seems because the mica is added to the pearl paints, it's a bit thicker. So you use less paint and more Floetrol to get the same consistency. And I'm using a pretty thick consistency. So I have Pearl Lilac, I have Pearl Pink by Arteza, I have a Pearl Sky Blue, oh, I just almost spilt, 2 cups of paint, and then I have the Pearl Lime Green. I also have Amsterdam Light Gold, and then I have a little bit of Titanium White, and I have the a couple of darker colors, purple, Permanent Red Purple by Amsterdam, and the Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam, just to kind of give me a little bit of contrast in the cup. So we are going to layer this cup. I'm going to put a little bit of gold in the bottom, I think. Just a little bit. And then I'm going to add a little bit of white. I'm going to put this Permanent Blue Violet here. And then I want to put the lilac. Now, Permanent Red Purple. Put the pink, the Pearl Pink. Put a little bit of gold. I'm going to go ahead and put the green, blue on top of the green. I'll put the white, purple. Ooh. Dropping everything. Really pretty pastel-y cup. Alright. So now I want to pour this gold down. Kind of want to make a couple of puddles here. This bright color. Make a puddle right here. Okay, pretty sure I'm going to have to make up a flow extender, but I'll put you guys on hold. So I'm going to pour this probably into this color and kind of come around, and then I'll pour it in this color and come around. yeah, I'm gonna put you on hold and I'm going to mix up some colors. Look at that cup. It's pretty. So I just mixed up some of this yellow green, yellowish green. Yeah, yellowish green. And I mixed up the stuff I had left in my cups. And that's pretty right there. Okay, just gonna spread this around. This keeps your composition, the pattern that came out of the cup, it keeps it from kind of rolling over on itself when you put this extra barrier of paint around it. That way, when you stretch it, it just kind of slides with the paint instead of rolling over itself. You torch it again. Alright. I really like this, so we're going to try to save as much of that as possible. Alright, so let's see here. Just gotta move really slow. Always bring the paint back to the middle. It's super pretty. And it's going really, really slow, so. Turn it around so you can see. What I'm doing here. Super pretty, super pretty. Still had some air bubbles in there, so that's gonna. There's more paint over there. I want to do. Take more of this side off, I think. Up here. I'm just looking at the composition, guys. Sorry. Yeah, I want more of that pastel color in there. Okay, let's see if we can't push it off. I like it that way. Yeah. Oh, crap. There's some arm in it. It's not good. All right. There. It's different. It's pastel. We got some pastels in there. Those. So I will probably try this again. It's a lot of fun. I don't know if I had my paints too thick or what. I didn't really research. I just kind of went with it. So hopefully that's pretty cool. We got enough paint off of it, and we'll see what she looks like when she dries, guys. So, dry result coming up. Let me touch up the sides and the corners, and see you soon. Okay, guys, this is the dried result. I have put in some black lines, and I am going to embellish this pour. I think it's gonna bring some dimension to it. I really love it, and I know it's gonna be great when I'm finished. I just kind of set it aside because I had other things that I had to complete. I'm gonna bring you closer, and I will post this in my community page when I'm done with it, but let me put you guys down. Pretty fabulous. But there was a dark line going all the way across here and down here. So I just kind of extended the trunk a little bit and added these lines now. And I think I'm gonna do some leaves of some sort to it. maybe run some gold leaf across it or something. I don't know, but yeah, it dried perfectly. It's really, really shiny and beautiful, and I can't wait for you guys to see the finished result when I'm done. So thank you all for being here with me. I appreciate it. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Take care of the ones you love. Love one another. And I will see you next time. Bye.